Camera, aksyon! Assalamualaikum. Hello mga ka-YouTube, magandang araw sa inyong lahat at sa buong mundo. Welcome back to my channel, Roha GM. Ako nga si Roha naman Yelen. So mga ka-YouTube, nandito naman tayo at kantahan ko naman kayo ng pinamagatang Top of the World by Carpenters. So let's sing! Such the feelings coming over me. There is wonder in the most everything I see. Not the cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised it is a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest things to heaven that I've seen. I am the top of the world, looking down at creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. And the leaves on the trees and the tops of the fresh, there's a blessing, chance at happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day through, I hope that will I find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. I need will be mine if you are here. I on the top of the world, looking down at creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you were around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I am the top of the world, looking down the creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you were around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta sa Roha GM. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka na dyan. I-click mo lang yung bell notification nang ma-notified ka sa mga susunod pang video na gagawin ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Happy Tuesday. God bless you all. Diyan na lang kayo at dito na lang ako sa susunod ulit.